Hello everyone. So in my last videos, we have covered how do we set up JMeter and we create JMX script, how to configure dynamic attributes, for example username and password, and how can we create dynamic variables which we can pass from one API to another API. In this video, I'm going to cover how can we export report in the CSV file. Those reports can be performance reports, or maybe how much time execution it is taking per API is taking. So let's go to the Apache JMeter UI. So this is one JMX script I have imported, and what I have done, I have created one listener. Let me show you how can we create a new listener. So right click on thread group, go to listener, and we have different options available. We can select either results tree, or maybe there is another option, results in table. Here it is. So I have selected results tree. Just click on that. If you want to add maybe results table, that also we can add. So similar but different kind of layout we will have. So here we have the option to give file name in which we want to have the output. So for example, if I'm storing the output here, I will provide the folder name and then I will provide the file. So I will just type in performance.csv, and that's it. Now we can actually click on this icon. It will start the execution. And once the execution is complete, this green icon is again will become green. Let's just wait for that. Anytime in between, if you want to halt the execution, I think we can force stop, or we can just normally stop it. Yeah, so the execution is complete now. The file must be generated. Here it is. Let me just open it. Yeah, so we have different attributes available. For example, at what timestamp the particular API is being executed, elapsed time label, because since we have given the label of each APIs, for example login functionality, immense functionality, response time, basically the group thread will tell you to which group thread it belongs, latency, how much time it took to complete the execution, idle time, connect time. So every detail, even minute detail, we will get in this CSV file. We have other different options also available in which we can see the performance, etc. in graph format. Hope you will enjoy this video. Thank you.